us today. We put a heavy-duty oil tank plate on it to support the Viking 110 oil tank. Better than it was before. It was an upgrade that he wanted to have done. So now this is the Cherry airplane. You've seen this one before. He's got also had a new muffler installed today, so we'll see what it sounds like when it leaves and departs the airport. Let's go down and take a video of him leaving.
He gets right after it.
Ueli departing with his Cherry. Viking 110, new muffler, nice sound. That's an airplane that really gets out and goes. He just brought the landing gear up. Moving right out there. Probably be home. He's got 70 miles to go. And he'll be home in 20 minutes.